Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer Aspire 3 laptop stuck on preparing automatic repair. The Acer Aspire 3 laptop is currently stuck on the preparing automatic repair screen. This problem can arise from several issues such as corrupted system files, hardware malfunctions, or recent software update. Here are some steps you can follow to try to fix this issue. Force restart the laptop. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to completely turn off the laptop. After a few seconds, press the power button again to turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve the problem. Access the Windows recovery environment. If the laptop is still stuck, you can attempt to access WinRe. Turn off the laptop to hold the power button, turn it back on, and as soon as the Windows logo appears, hold the power button again to force a shutdown. Repeat this process two more times. On the third startup, the system should enter WinRe. Perform a system restore. In WinRe, select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced option, then tap on System Restore. Choose a restore point dated before the issue began and follow the on-screen instructions. This process will revert your system settings to a previous state without affecting personal files. Run Startup Repair. If System Restore doesn't resolve the issue, go back to WinRe, navigate to Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced option, tap on Startup Repair, follow the prompts to allow Windows to attempt to fix startup problem. Boot in safe mode. In WinRe, select Troubleshoot, go to Advanced option, Startup Settings, then tap on Restart. After the system restart, press F4 to boot into safe mode. Once in safe mode, you can uninstall any recently installed software or driver that might be causing the issue. Disable early launch anti-malware protection. In WinRe, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and tap on Restart. After the restart, press A to disable early launch anti-malware protection. This can help if the issue is caused by security software conflict. Reset the PC. If none of the above steps work, you may need to reset your PC. In WinRe, select Troubleshoot, then go to Reset this PC. Choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything depending on your preferences. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.